Hello YouTube. If you got a Rubik's Cube and you spent hours and hours trying to figure out how to solve this thing, and you spend hours on end, and you try and figure out what does it take to solve the cube. The evil. What does it take to solve the evilest cube ever? Well, in my opinion, you just need a screw and the Rubik's Cube. You turn it on an angle. This is how to fix the Rubik's Cube the right way. And just try and pry out the piece. Just put it under and just go like this. Just keep doing that. Or just try and pry it out. Okay. Yes. You just pry out the piece. And then you just do this. Like, I'm working the cube. But there's something wrong. Oh no. The middle pieces on the end of each other. I'm trying to solve the Rubik's Cube. Then you get the core. Once you get all your pieces of the Rubik's Cube, you separate them. After you separate them, here is a green space and a white space. A green space and a white space. Put a green white piece. This is a middle piece. I'm sorry, I'm just feeling a little bit under the weather. Okay. Been in bed all day. Now there's a blue space and a white space. You need a blue and white middle piece. Now a yellow and a blue space. You need a yellow and blue middle piece. And then right here we have a green and a yellow space. We just need a green and yellow middle piece. they will pop out. And put them back in. If they really do pop out, put them back in. And just put in the last piece. Okay. Now we got an unstable piece of the square. Now, blue, orange. This part will get tricky. Not. We need orange, green. There we go. And we're just going to pop that piece right in there. And then turn it back around because you put it in the wrong way. And try not to make any pieces fall out, because when a piece falls out, basically you have to restart. It's a restart button. Make sure you don't press it. A bad restart button. And now, once we got this piece, this big cube, so we got orange, white, green space. So we need a orange, white, green. Here we go. Orange, white, green. We just put that in. Like so. Okay. Now we need a blue, orange, white. Blue, red, white. Okay. Then you want to turn it at an angle. And then you want to find an orange, white. Here we go. And you just snap that piece right in. Now, we need an orange, green, blue, yellow, orange. Now, turn it at an angle. And orange, yellow. And then slide that piece in like so. And then you got 2/3 of your thing done. Now, just do the rest like you did the bottom. You grab your red light. You basically just match the colors. I missed that piece. Right here.
Did you want to take a shower before we go? You took a shower last night, didn't you?
Okay, now I will pause the video so I can do this. Pause the video. Now you just turn at an angle. Just spread it apart and just try pop it in. Looking great. It will bite you. It absolutely will bite you. Then you just do that, and you're basically done. That's what you do. So basically, you got a working cube. Ready? I did.
No.
Mm-mm.